Hello everyone, that's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on these Creative Pebble Pro computer speakers. So these connect with USB or Bluetooth. Now the wire that is in the back is permanently connected between the two speakers. We also have some cables here. Now there's no battery inside these. You do have to power them up. Now you can power them up a couple different ways. You can power them up with USB-C. Right here there's a USB-C PD and a USB-C. There's also an aux out. And you also have a headphone port and a microphone port. That's on the one with the control. Here's the one, it doesn't have any connections. The other one. So we have a USB-A to USB-C. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable. And then we have like an aux cable. It's got the same ends on both. Same with the USB-C, has USB-C on both ends. So the two USB-C ports here, one is for power. You're going to power it up through this one. This one you can get audio in on, or you can get audio in on the aux, or you can have audio come in via Bluetooth. So just power it up and you can connect it to a Bluetooth via to your computer or your phone. Now as far as input, it does need 5 volts, 2 amps, or 15 volts, 2 amps. So you can plug it into 5 volts, 2 amps, but if your volume is not increasing, you may want to go up to a 30 watt power supply, PD. So you want to plug it into 15 volts, 2 amps for 30 watts. That'll get the most power out of the speakers. It says if the Creative Power's volume is low or remains low, consider connecting the speakers to an external 30 watt, 15 volt, 2 amp USB-C PD power adapter. Okay, so I've got the USB-C plugged into power. Let's plug it in right here, PD power. So it should be plugged into an adapter that says PD and not IQ. Now once you plug it into a PD power supply, then you're going to get the blue light. That's going to turn like a purple. All right, let's go over. These are about 5.5 inches tall. Left to right's about 5 inches, so about a 5-inch cube. We can control the color of the RGB lights down there by pressing the button and then turning the knob. You got to press the light button for 2 seconds. 1001, 1002. Now it'll go to the different color. If I just press it really quick, there's different modes of the light. The first one is pulsate, solo, or off. Press and hold for 2 seconds, you can enter color mode. Press it again, you exit the color mode. Now this LED light right here is going to tell us several different things. Solid purple means you're in USB audio. Blinking blue means you're pairing in Bluetooth. Solid blue means you're Bluetooth connected. Solid green, aux in. Pulsating white, color selection mode. And then we're going to we have a Bluetooth button. We're going to press and hold that Bluetooth button for 2 seconds.
Now in pairing mode.
So that puts it into pairing mode. But if you single press it, you can cycle between the different connections.
Now in.
So green means you're getting the aux. Right there. You're going to have the aux in. Then this is the volume button. You're going to turn this. You can turn the speakers on and off. Hold that in 2 seconds, turns them off. And press it again for 2 seconds, it turns them on. Now if you want to do a master reset, press the Bluetooth button for 8 seconds and it'll completely reset everything. Now the cable that goes between the two is 6 feet long, and again it's permanently attached. Got like a little gripper, like a subwoofer on the back, tweeter on the front. No controls on this one, but we do have all the controls on this one, and this is where you plug the power in. So I hope this unboxing and setup video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.